Komala Sai Ram, one of your students from Vishwa Poornima Yoga Center. I want to share something about mantra yoga. This seminar I attended 3 years back. Venkatesh sir has given me a good mantra for me, and along with the mudra also he gave me. In that too I was practicing for 48 days. That means one mandala. After completing the 48th day, some miracle has happened to me. That means I want to share it that also. In my lifetime, I didn't get anything from my brother. Suddenly my brother has given me a worthful gift to me. That is 3 pounds of bangles he gave to me. This is, I think, the miracle in my life by the mantra yoga only. 100% I will say it is happened by the mantra yoga only. So thanks to Vishwa Poornima Yoga Center. Thank you.